The Keyton blender is designed to be the perfect all-in-one blender. With suction cups to secure your blender down and to-go containers makes this the perfect blender for the modern on-the-go family. The Keyton blender is so easy to use that you only need one hand. One-touch operation. Simply just push down and make your protein shake so you can head out the door. No matter the challenge, our to-go cups are made to last. Made out of extremely durable Triton, your kids can even take it to a sports game. With a new sleek design and integrated finger grip, our to-go cups are made to go anywhere and look good doing it. The Keyton blender makes your drink of choice when you want it, no problem. Let's get started by grabbing ingredients to make a green smoothie. Put liquids in the cup first, unless the recipe says otherwise. Next, we need to add our ingredients into the to-go cup and attach the cross blades by twisting together. Cut all firm fruits and vegetables into pieces no larger than 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch. Next, we are going to use the simple one-touch blending technique. Connect your to-go cup to the base by lining up the tabs and then simply push down. Lift the bottle from the base and give a quick shake to loosen any ingredients from the blade and reblend. Now, simply take off the cross blades and put on your to-go cup lid and enjoy. Nothing is easier to clean than the Keyton blender. Simply rinse off your to-go cup and cross blades in the kitchen sink and place in your dishwasher. Make sure, however, to only use the cool cleaning cycle.